What's up everybody, it's Maddie, and today we're going to take a look at the Redragon K552RGB-BA keyboard and mouse combo. I don't know a whole lot about keyboards, but I do know that it is time for me to upgrade. I've been using the Cooler Master Keys Lite mouse and keyboard combo for the past 4 years now. It's old, it's big, it's clunky, it's really dirty. And I've also noticed that mechanical switches seem to be the way to go. Although I doubt that that's really going to make much of a difference to me. If you're a returning viewer, then you will know that I am cheap. So I went over to Amazon.com and I searched around for the cheapest keyboard and mouse combo that I could find with mechanical switches. And what I ended up buying is the Redragon K552RGB-BA keyboard and mouse combo, which has Cherry MX Blue equivalent switches. And I guess what that means that these are a cheaper brand of switches that operate basically the same as the Cherry MX Blues. So I'm going to get rid of my old mouse and keyboard, unbox the new, and set it up. And then we're going to check out the functionality of it. Let's go. Okay, so this is the Cooler Master Keys Lite combo that I've been using for the past 4 years. And this is my new combo, the Redragon K552RGB-BA. So I was going to pull all of the keycaps off, but the puller that comes with this keyboard damages the keycaps pretty badly, so I'll just leave it at 3. Okay, it didn't say anything about any software for the keyboard anywhere, but I'm gonna see if I can find something to work. So I keep getting this error every time I try to install the K552 software. So I did a little research and found out that the K530 software works with the K552 keyboard. So let's see how true that is.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright, well, I like this thing a lot better than my old setup. Although it's rather loud, the clickiness of the blue switches is really growing on me. The build quality of the keyboard seems really premium. It's nice and sturdy with a metal and plastic housing. I really like the mouse too. It seems very ergonomic for my hand and I like all the buttons. Also, I really like all the RGB settings and I think the RGB looks great on this. Now the downsides for me were the font on the keys. It just screams, hey, I'm cheap. And I don't like the fact that the keycap puller damages the keycaps if you use it. And the worst thing probably is that the mouse has a red cord, which I guess is probably just because they just threw whatever random mouse they had in with the keyboard to make a combo. And now that I think about it, the big ugly font is actually kind of growing on me too. Oh, and my favorite two RGB modes are flower and digital times. I think they look awesome. If you have this keyboard, leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite RGB setting is. Smash that thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Also, I've been game streaming most nights around 10 p.m. Eastern time if you'd like to check that out. Alright guys, stay safe and have fun.